labor's affected us a lot and fairly dramatically for quite a long time. Very difficult to find skilled iron workers. Any skilled iron worker that's of any good at what he does is he or she does is working already. And so we've relied quite a bit on the temporary foreign worker program to bring in workers. That is at best a temporary solution, and what we're primarily focused on now is internal development, so bringing people on board and identifying the ones that are going to make it into a career early and helping them do so in every way we can.
The very valid point was made that our productivity is terrible. And it's terrible across the country, so we're failing in that regard. What's going on and why are we unproductive? The point was made that our industry doesn't embrace technology quickly, so therefore that's causing us to lag behind perhaps other countries. Again, because we don't have the number of skilled workers that we require, that's also feeding into the lack of productivity, because someone who's either not skilled or less skilled than we need them to be is going to complete a task more slowly, perhaps less efficiently as one who's fully qualified. We have to invest in research and development. We have to be investing in technology, investing in training our employees to use it efficiently. All of that is part and parcel of the innovation conversation, and the point was made by one of the panelists: we have work to do. We're living and breathing this challenge today, and we have work to do.
I'm extremely passionate about the labor issue and the problems we have as an industry if we don't fix the supply side, if we don't fix the attraction side to the younger generation to our industry. We're going to have increasing costs, less productivity, an inability to deliver to the finished product. That's where we're at. So that's why I'm so passionate. It's my kids and my grandkids and their grandkids, great-grandkids that are going to be impacted by the lack of services.
Our panelists also spoke about the need to raise the profile of a profession or a career in trades, being viewed as a bona fide profession, something to be proud of, as it is in Europe, for example. So we need to be raising the awareness of the fact that it's better paid in some cases compared to service industry. The prospects of working in construction are huge. You can pursue a trade, you can pursue the white collar role, the project management role, the senior management role. You can become a small business owner. So construction, our opportunities in construction are broad and deep. And the question one of the panelists asked was, why aren't we telling the world about the opportunities? We're our own worst enemy, which I think is true.
In terms of promoting and respecting the work, the trade, Europe does an excellent job, has always had an excellent job on the trade qualifications, the trade history, the trade training, and keeping them engaged. And they have uniforms, and they don't think the uniforms are less. It doesn't make you a less of a person for wearing a uniform or being able to walk in with a suit. As I mentioned, some of their work sites are clean, they're meticulous. You can go in at the beginning of the day with your suit, go into your jumpsuit with your work outfit, your kit. At the end of the day, go back into your suit and go home. Your wife doesn't want you in another room, another building, because you've got all the concrete dust and the drywall dust and all over you, right? So it's a matter of the industry stepping up and saying we're going to invest in our site work. We're going to respect those people as quality people, and they are doing a beneficial job for the country.
One of the main things that's impacting us right now is innovation in our steel yards. So we're introducing software right now, which is what we call shear optimization software. So what it'll do is it'll take a day's worth of production, and the computer will tell you how best to organize your cutting to minimize waste. And it's the results will be small on any given day, but over the course of a month and over the course of as much as 24 million pounds of steel produced, the savings will be substantial.
Somebody has to do the investment. When you do a BIM, you have to have the designers have to invest, the sub-trades have to invest, and then you have to follow it, right? but the owners don't want to pay. I think that's where it starts. The owners don't understand the benefit of BIM. And I think we have to do a better selling job to the owners, the ones that are ultimately going to pay, and be the maintenance of the life cycle costing is going to be done by the owners. BIM will help them reduce their long-term costs by knowing where everything is, right? By having a unit that is being designed and constructed more efficiently.